Hello, this is Jeff with Truck and Trailer, your capital for commercial vehicle sales and service. Today we're doing a lift gate test. We're not testing the weight capacity, but rather how this gate handles when your cargo is spread out over the gate, not squeezed up against the back door where they want you to have it. But we're past the center point of this deck with our load capacity. So for a 16-foot box truck, this is a mammoth lift gate. Hard to find, expensive if you had to buy one new. It's made by Maxon, 3,300 pound capacity, nice measurements, and this option, which is a whole different video in itself. This dumpster is the heaviest thing I could find. It is loaded down, trash days tomorrow. It's not 3,300 pounds, I don't think, but I do believe it's every bit of 1,500, maybe even approaching 2,000 pounds. And here we are loading it in the center of the deck, actually a little closer to the end of the deck, and we'll see what happens. Ideally for a deck this size, your cargo load is going to be spread out over the full amount of the deck. But the manufacturer really wants the bulk of your weight on the first 1/3 of that deck that is closest to the truck. Here you can see we're loaded down. Someone blessed us with a dryer over the weekend, but this is a week's worth of trash at the dealership here from our shop. Are you ready? Well, here we go. This 3,300 pound capacity Maxon liftgate, well, it was struggling a little bit, but no hiccups. It ran the same speed the whole way up and down. But like I said, the center point of our weight here is way further out than it ought to be. Now for a quick plug. If you need liftgate service, liftgate repair, or even liftgate installation, we do all that here in our shop. We can order a liftgate for you. We often have liftgates in stock, so give us a call. Let us know how we can help you. To show you exactly how this weight was balanced or distributed on this gate, we have the dumpster up on blocks. That made it easier getting it on and off and not scraping up on the liftgate. But you can see here that our dumpster weight is centralized out past the center of the gate. So this is not the recommended way to load, at least on a regular basis. But as you can see, if you need to, it will do it. If you found this video helpful in any way, please let us know. Hit that like, subscribe, and share. Even if you have a comment or a question, hit me up and I will get back with you personally. As I mentioned previously, we do sell and service these, but we also specialize in box trucks. That's all we do, folks. Helping you transport your cargo from point A to point B. Box trucks are our business, so automatically, naturally, lift gates come with it. Well, we really appreciate you watching our videos here at Truck and Trailer, and don't forget, our job is to help you grow your business.
Building here around 25 to be able to start it. 25 to be 25 to 50, 50 to be 100 to be 100 to be 100 to be 125, 125 to 150.